understand. Have to die for them, understand.
Young nigga from the bottom of the map, came up right with his scrap, iron in his lap, one false move, get whack, got the whole hood on his back, and then just like that, put my niggas trapped in the trap, pray to God we all make it back, pray we all make it back, gotta pray we all make it back, and I know it's wrong that I rap, but a street nigga first, tell the crackers free Mac Deezy, might like catch your son, I'm on TV, they didn't believe me, nigga went and got it off the greasy, it's hard, but I make it look easy, a crazy achievement, I don't really fuck with no rappers, all these niggas hustling backwards, God in
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a closure wig install. And y'all, this is my cousin, so if y'all see us doing the most, yeah, that's fine. But first thing first, you want to braid their hair straight bite, and then you want to split their edges bite, you know, so no glue won't get caught on the edges. You're basically trying to protect their edges, like really. And all you see me doing is blow drying it. Then I'm going to put the ball cap on. That's kind of self-explanatory. But if you guys do want a more in-depth video, comment down below and let me know. But I hope you guys like this video. Comment and subscribe. So right here, I'm really trying to explain. You see a lot of people just spray the holding spray or whatever on the person's forehead. You need to spray it on the actual hairline too to make sure you're protecting the hair, because 9 times out of 10, you're getting the glue on more than just your forehead or more than just the part that you actually sprayed with the holding spray. So that's why you see me spraying so much on a bigger part. Then you want to find a makeup that matches the client's skin tone. I forgot what color it was, but I know it was the Ruby Kisses cream foundation, y'all. And I know y'all probably be looking at my videos and thinking everything is crazy, y'all. I can't talk for nothing. I'm from Florida, so it's really hard to talk, and I be trying to talk probably for y'all, but y'all, it's so hard. But I'm gonna try and I'm gonna get better. So with cutting off the ball cap, y'all want to leave some of the cap in front of the hairline. As you can see me doing, I'm going as close to the hairline as possible, but I'm not going behind the hairline. Kind of try to make it line up in front. So here's the wig. I plugged it beforehand, but it honestly don't look like it. Anywho, you want to get your lace tint in your makeup, whatever you're going to be using. I use tan from True Match, I think it is. And that was my first time actually using that. And it actually did blend way better than I thought at the end. But y'all, we was picking on this wig because it did like a little powder wig on the side at first. But I'm finna show y'all how to finesse it. Now, main thing you really want to do is you want to make sure the wig is in the center of the head. I always try to hot comb the hair away from the front of the lace so I can see exactly what I'm going down. Now, I use lace tape. I love lace tape. It helps protect the hair more, you know, to each his own. But I will put a more in-depth video of how I do that, y'all. I get back to y'all on that. Anyway, I put the lace tape down first. Then I get the glue and I put the glue on there. And I usually put 2 to 3 coats. For everybody else, I put 3 coats. You can put more, you can put less, but I have a lot of people, their wigs and installs usually last like 2 to 3 weeks. And I don't recommend keeping lace on longer than that because you need to get on there and clean that glue up. Anyway, right here, I'm just peeling off the tape. And after I pull off the tape, I'm going to be putting on the glue. After you put on the glue, you want to lay down lace. Some people cut the lace beforehand, some people cut the lace after. It don't matter to me. It honestly don't. I just wanted to cut it beforehand for this reason. I don't know why. Also, y'all, I'm using Boho Active Glue. They need to sponsor me, but we ain't gonna speak on it right now. Anyway, after you lay down the glue, you just want to spray some holding spray on it. The holding spray really helps the lace get darker. That's what you need, y'all. Well, not all holding spray, but they got to be sprayed. To me, it helps the lace get a shade darker because I honestly didn't know what type of lace tint she needed, and I didn't want to have to go back in and correct it with y'all. Yeah, long story short. But right here, I'm just cutting off the lace, and I'm gonna lay the lace down after. And then I'm going to pull out the baby hair, spray the lace with the got to be spray. And then I'm going to tie it down and I'm going to style her hair. And I'm going to come back with you guys after I do that. A hot comb will be y'all best friend. When I'm telling y'all, the hot comb really saves this wig. Cause baby, like, y'all, live was straight off the corner. Y'all, this part right here is what I mean by the got to be spray make the lace a little darker. Do y'all see how soon as I spread it, the lace had got darker? That's exactly what I mean. This was after I got done. I just went and put some bear curls in and I did it off camera because y'all, that was gonna take too much time. Now all I'm doing is swooping the baby hair. When I'm doing blonde hair, I usually use got to be in the yellow bottle because it come out white, y'all. Because you know when you use certain stuff on blonde hair, it changes the colors. So all you finna see me doing now is put makeup down the part to make it a little more realistic. Swoop them baby hair or cut them then swoop them because y'all be having them grown hairs and we ain't finna do that. Then you want to, like, just fix it up and make it look cute for, you know, make it look like a little girl because this little boy right here. Anyway, I hope you guys like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And comment down below if you guys want to see more.